Hi, welcome to GNM News today. My name is Bridget. Today's good news is taken from Psalm 34 verse 10. Psalm 34 verse 10. It says, "The young lion do lack and suffer hunger, but they that seek the Lord, they shall not lack anything good." I want to encourage you. Let's trust in the Lord, right? In these times and seasons of everything, let's trust in the Lord. I know for your need, God will definitely provide it. We will never lack anything good. That one is certain and sure as children of God. That thing that we are trusting Him on, He will definitely provide it. So let's put our trust and our confidence in the Lord. The young lion do lack and suffer hunger. With the heaviness of lion and everything, they do lack and suffer. Their children do lack and suffer hunger. But the children of God will not lack anything good. So long as we put our trust and our confidence in God, we will not lack anything good. Hope this video has blessed you. If it has, kindly like and share, and see you in my next video. Take care, stay blessed, and stay lifted. God bless you.